and I'm trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. Allow Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, YouTube, I'm super excited to be bringing you guys an update on our Moringa trees after approximately 90 days. That's right, YouTube. It has been 90 entire days since we brought you guys our last video update on our 5 Moringa trees that we're currently growing right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And before I show you guys what those 5 Moringa trees currently are looking like right here, right now, this is what our 5 Moringa trees look like in our last video update. And this is indeed what our 5 Moringa tree seedlings are currently looking like right here, right now in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Our Moringa trees have gone from knee to chest in approximately the last 90 days. Aren't they looking fantastically well, YouTube? I knew that indeed Moringa grew fast, but I had no idea prior to planting these seedlings here that our Moringa trees would grow as rapidly as they have grown for us right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. We have 3 in this particular hole here on this side of our sidewalk. And we have 2 over here on this side. If you guys have been following the video series on our Moringa, you know that we originally planted 6 Moringa seeds. 5 of those seeds did in fact germinate. They all came up at roughly the same time, YouTube. For some reason, these 3 Moringa tree seedlings on this side are a lot shorter than the ones on this side, although they do get the same amount of sunlight, same amount of nutrients, the same amount of rain, wind, torture out here in this very hot area in our front yard garden extended grow area. The only reason we can think of that these particular Moringa trees may be a little smaller than the ones on the other side of our sidewalk is the fact that, again, we do indeed have 3 in this hole down here. The smallest one down here is actually one that was the last one to come up in our seed germination trays. It really has some growth issues from the beginning, but it is hanging in there. But again, YouTube, again, from knee to chest in approximately the past 90 days. And we can't currently be more pleased by what we see in our Moringa trees than what we are right now, YouTube. Again, from knee to chest in approximately the past 90 days. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to indeed share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Moringa right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to job for letting this life you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lie 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lie is about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lie is gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game. And And way back then, nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This lion's on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prizes. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time my haters test me.